Verb is the work done by subject. So, subject we left. So, today we learn about subject. In Latin, subject, and there are 5 types of subject, but today we take 2 types of subject. Subject female and male. If subject is female and male. So, how we identify the female subject and male subject? So, if the last word in subject is A, the last word, last alphabet is A, then it is female subject, and last word is whose or are, then it is male subject. For example, if I say poeta, poeta in English we take poet, but in Latin, poeta is treated as the female subject. Female subject. So, now we come and example we can take about male. This is female and amicus. This is male subject, amicus, and one more subject, pure. This is boy. This is also male. Now we understand the declension of the female and male. So we study declension of subject. In Hindi, we do this. Suppose our subject is Raja. Then how we do? Raja. This is subject and of Raja. This is genitive and to Raja. This is dative and this is Raja. This is objective and by Raja. This is ablative. That means there are 5 types or one more vocative. This is normally less used. This is simply Raja. So here, if I say the poeta, then this is declined like this. Poeta, poetae, that means poet, of the poet, to the poet, and poetam. This is objective of poet, and poeta. This is ablative, that means by the poet, and vocative also same, poeta. Now this is singular case, and now what is plural? Plural is poetae, and genitive become poetarum, and this become poetis, and dative become poetas, and ablative plural is poetis. Poetis. So it is same like राजा, राजा के लिए, राजा को राजा के लिए, राजा के द्वारा, राजा, राजा का राजा के लिए, राजा को राजा के द्वारा. Like this there are declension. So this is declension for female word. So you have to remember this. You have to memorize this case. Poeta, poetae, poetae, poetam, poeta, poetae, poetarum, poetis, poetas, poetis. And for male, like I do amicus. This is singular case. Amicus, amici, amico, amicum, amico, and plural amici, amicorum, amici, amicis, amicos, amicis. So you notice this part in plural case same, and this just A changed in O, and here U changed with A, and this is same pattern, amico. This amico, here amico, and this is amici, and this come here plural. So these two standard you have to remember, or you remember the ending. So this is, if R is the last, then also same, like if I say pure, this is boy. So puri, puro, purum, these are the same. Now we see the plural, puri, purorum, puris, puros, puris. So this is the for R ending. So we have to remember. And vocative for this is amici. This we think about later. These things you need to remember. So these are declension, and you also remember This part is subject. This is genitive. This is dative. This is objective, and this is ablative. So you have to remember what is genitive, what is dative, what is ablative, what is objective. So object is used when it is work as the object. So these things we have learned. Now the second chapter, some sentence 1. Salve o patria. Salve o patria. This means hello, and this is country. O country. So this word patria come from pater. Pater means father, but patria is fatherland. But because normally for the country the word is used motherland. Motherland. So, hello, O country. This is one sentence. And salve already we know. Salvation come from this. The second, fama at sententia volant. So first we see this word. Volo, I told you, I fly, but because the conjugation is anti, so it is plural case. So here fama means fame and sentia means feeling. Feeling. So the total meaning fame and at mean and feeling fly or flying. So sententia is feeling and fama is fame. So fame and feeling are flying or fly. So third, da veniam puellae amabote. Da means it is the imperative. Give. This is veniam is favor or pardon. Puellae mean, and here it is plural case. Puella is daughter or girl. So here the girls. Give favor girls. This means please, and this means I will love you. So give favor girls, please. This is the meaning. Now we come to the sentence for Clementia tua multas vitas servat. So this is T is added with serva. That means it gives the third person, and Clementia is the mercy. Mercy. Tua means your. Like Sanskrit Tvam. In Sanskrit, like we write Tvam. So this is Tua means your, and this multas. What is multas? Multa means much, and vita means life. But here as is added, that means it represents the object. Objective part, multas vitas. It is objective. Vitas is life, and this is like adjective. So the meaning of this word become your mercy, your mercy. Sarva is save many lives. So now we come to the fifth sentence. Multam pecuniam deportat. Multam pecuniam deportat. Now, multam means same, much or many. This is pecunia is the money. So or wealth. So this means wealth. This means much, and deport carry away. Porto means carry. So this T represents the third person. That means he carries away much wealth. Because these two are objective singular. Objective. This is objective singular, and this is objective plural, and this is female or femina. Female objective plural. This is also female. So this is the meaning. He carries. So the simple meaning is he carries away much wealth. Now, 6 is fortunam, at vitam antiquae patriae sepelodas So this is fortunam and vitam is female objective singular, and this is genitive of antica. This is both are genitive, and sepe means open, lodas. As for you, that means the meaning is you praise fortune and life of antique is ancient country. Because it is genitive, so genitive means of, so it becomes of for both, and this is objective, so you praise, and this sepe is often. So the total meaning is often you praise fortune and life of ancient country. This is the meaning. Seven. Me vitare turbam jubis, or sometimes it is simply written, because in Latin I is used in place of J, so it pronounced ubis. So this means UBA means I order. So ubere is to order. But here the stem is, this is the stem, and stem S is added in the stem. S stands for you. So this means you order, this is me, and this is, what is this? Vitare, this is veto, means I avoid. So vitare is to avoid, and turba is crowd. So here M is added, turbam, that means it is objective. So what is the meaning now? You order me to avoid crowd. Now, sentence number 8. Me close pi to. Me close pi do. This means I give, and this me is myself or me. Close pi is to because it is dative. Close pi. I give myself to philosophy, or I study philosophy. I devote myself to philosophy. Similarly, 9. Philosophia ist ars vitae. So this means philosophy. Ist means is. This means philosophy. This means is. This means art. And this is genitive of life. So the sentence philosophy is art of life. Philosophy is art of life. Now, 10. Sanam formam vitae conservati. So this means sane or good. Form means shape or form. This is again genitive of life, and this is imperative, save or conserve. So meaning is save, sane form of life. Save, sane form of life or good form of life. Now the 11. Immodica. Immodica. Ira. Criat. Insania. Insania. This is objective, and this is anger. Ira is anger, and this is immoderate. Immoderate or out of control. Create means make. Insanity. Insanity. So this means uncontrolled anger makes insanity. So this is the verb is करियो, I create. So this is the infinitive. Now we can make the kariya. Kriyat. Okay. Now 12. Quit. Cogitas. S is added, that means you. What? Quid means what do you think? It is simple. Cogito already we have done. So what do you think? Now 13. Nala avarita sine poena ist. This is punishment, this is each, this is without. So this is without punishment is, this is greed. Nala means no. So the meaning is no greed is without punishment. No greed is without punishment. Now 14. Me sevis Cartenis onirat. This means the word put on, and T follows. So, or this is loading. T means he. So the meaning is, this is me, savage means savage or cruel, catenis means this is chain, and this is cruel, this is me, and put on, and because T, that means, this means he. He load me. This is savage catenis. I am using here with cruel change. So see, I added with, and with there is no word for with, but this is, you see, ablative part. Ablative part we can use with if it is ablative. Actually, ablative is represented by. That means by is the, or also with. Ablative in the declension, you can say ablative part we can add with or by. No need to any specific word in the sentence for by or with. But if the words are in the ablative part of the declension, then with or by can be at it. So now 15. Rotam fortunae non timent. This is timium, and antis, that mean they, and this is objective of rota. Objective of rota, this means will, and this is genitive of fortuna. Genitive of fortuna. So non is not, they don't fear wheel of fortune. Wheel of fortune. Girls save the life of poet. So the girl is puella. Now it is plural, so puellae. Verb we take the last, because the pattern we follow subject, object and verb. So now what is object? Life. Life is vitam o poeta. Poetae. Conjure want, because and is the conjugation for plural. Now this is 16, this is 17. Without philosophy we often go astray and pay penalty. So sine is for without, sine. Philosophia, it is ablative. We is added with the verb, so the verb is go astray, we deal later. This word is sape, often. Now go astray means era mus. So we and verb go astray is era mus. At for and, the object is penalty. So poenam damus. If it is plural, then it is poenas. Now 18. If your land is strong, if your land is strong, nothing terrifies the sailor. The sailors and you ought to praise your great fortune. So, if is see, your land is patria tua, east. If you add east, it's okay. If you don't add, then also okay. Wallet, value, and it is third person, so wallet. Nihil is nothing. This is verb we take last. This is the sailor object. So this is notas direct, and this is at. You ought to praise. This we take later, and this is the object we take. Magnam fortunam tua magnam fortunam lodare devis. As for you, to praise. Now, the next sentence, 19. We often see the penalty of anger. So we is added to the verb. The object we take penalty. Pronoun of anger. So this is irai. This is often, and this is vidimus. We see. Often we see. Pronoun irai, and this is 20. The ancient gate is large. So this is subject. Antiqua, porta, or we should write porta first. Porta Antiqua is magna. So these are the sentence and the vocabulary we discuss later.